morning, students. I am Anuja S. Varghese, lecturer of Emmanuel Arasar College of Pharmacy. Today, we are going to see about community pharmacy. Then, introduction: retail pharmacy or retail drugstore or medical store. Then, it is a healthcare faculty pharmacy chain pharmacy department that emphasizes providing pharmaceutical services to a specific community. It involves a registered pharmacist possess either diploma or degree in pharmacy and a registered under the case second section of Pharmacy Act 1948 and she should present according to rules 65 of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945. Then, function of community pharmacy: providing health information to patient and public, administration of pharmacy, store dispensing and documentation of medicine, compounding of medicines, provide drug information and their action, handling of prescription, patient counseling, patient medication records, involved in national health program, rational drug therapy. Then next, organization and structural of retail and wholesale drugstore. Then first one, CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, head by the Drug Controller General India, which discharging the function allocated to central government by the Drug and Cosmetic Act. Second one, State Drug Control Organization. The State Drugs Control Organization was set up in the state to implement the provisions of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1914 and its subsequent administrations. And manufacturing, wholesale, retailer, consumer. Design of the drugstore site should be at the center of the population to be served. Second one, ensure accessibility and communication. The third one, equipped with adequate and free parking faculty. The next one, objective of the ideal layout design: to attract a large number of the customer, to increase the sales of the store, to reduce the selling expense to the minimum, to provide customer satisfaction, have a adequate space for server stock office and restarting space, to have a proper endurance for the newly arrived goods, to project a professional's image and improve general appearance, to minimize the movement of the customers in the premise of the pharmacy, should fulfill all the requirements in Schedule N of the Drug and Cosmetic Rules 1945. Minimum floor space required: wholesale drugstores 200 square feet, retail drugstore 150 square feet. Then retail drugstore design and wholesale drugstore design. Then types of drugstore: traditional drugstore, provisional service drugstore, prescription originated drugstore, super drugstore. The next one, legal requirements for the establishment of retail drugstore. The Pharmacy Act 1984, Drug and Cosmetic Act 1914 and Rules 1945. Forms of license: retail sales or general license from 20, the license for the retail sales of drugs excluded which are mentioned in the Schedule C, C1 and X. From 21 for the drugs specialized in Schedule C and C1 and excluding X. From 20F for drugs specialized in Schedule S. Restored license from 20A for drug or other than the specialized in a Schedule C and C1 and X. From 21A for drugs specialized in Schedule C and C1 but not in X. Non-license is granted for Schedule S drug in this category. Wholesale from 20B for drugs other than the specialized in Schedule C and C1 and X. From 21B for drugs specialized in Schedule C and C1 but not in a X. From 20G for drugs specialized in a Schedule X. Staff personnel is staff selections is an important accept. Selection should be based on the job distribution, job specialization and job requirements based on the test interview etc. Should be a registered pharmacist having minimum qualification. Maintenance of record, first one legal records, second one patient records and third one financial records. First one legal records means record by law regarding the accumulations and depositions of drugs. Pharmacy owner is responsible for maintenance of adequate and up-to-date records of the drugs and poison as per Drug and Cosmetic Act 1914, Rules 1 1945 and the Poison Act 1919. Pharmacists should maintain records related to accumulation and deposition of certain drugs, poisons and hazardous substances. Improper or incompleted maintained record may begin legal action or penalties. Then second one, patient records. Regarding the patient utilization of the drugs, patient drug history and the amount of the drug taken by a average patient, sources of information on insurance claims and income tax deputations of patient, financial records regarding the past and present financial status, analyzing revenues and explanation for making sound decision regarding future need, requirements etc. Then measuring return on investment. Then thank you.